How to fix failed to fetch data error in World App. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the World App error that says failed to fetch data. If you keep seeing this message, don't worry. I'll guide you through all the steps you need to get it working again. All right, let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or that your mobile data is working properly. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons for this error. If your internet is fine, the next step is to restart the app. Just swipe up or go to your recent apps screen, remove World App from the list, and reopen it. Sometimes, that's all it takes to fix the problem. If you're still getting the error, let's reset the app by clearing its cache and storage. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap on Manage Apps and look for the World App. You can scroll down or just use the search bar to find it quickly. Tap Storage and Cache. From here, select Clear Cache, then tap Clear All Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, it just resets the app on your device. If clearing the cache didn't work, you might be using an outdated version of the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for World App, and see if there's an update available. If there is, install it. Updates often fix bugs and connection issues. If you've tried everything and the error still shows up, let's do a fresh install. Uninstall World App completely from your device, then download it again from the Play Store or App Store. This removes any old or corrupted files and gives you a clean start. Before you open the app again, restart your phone. A simple reboot can clear temporary files and fix the error immediately. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the failed to fetch data error on World App and get back to using it without any problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.